Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon, and today we're going to be opening yet another box for Magic the Gathering Aetherdrift Play Boosters. This will be the last box I open for the set. For no particular reason, actually. It's not like I hate the set. I just find the idea silly. And yeah, there's more interesting things to open. So yeah, that's that. We get a box topper. We get a full art land and something else. We get a plains and a crack feast. And now let's see, what do we get from the boosters? No negativity here. We get a Burnout, Bastronaut, a Pyrewood Gearhulk, and that's it here. Once again, starting off decently. On to the next one. Of course, the set focuses very much on various vehicle and saddle mechanics. We get a Bloodghast. We get an Arctic Emerald Radian. I actually missed that one. Create a 1/1 green insect creature token for each artifact and creature card in your graveyard. And whenever another insect you control dies, put a +1/+1 counter on him, and each opponent loses 1 life. Actually, probably a pretty decent insect commander. For those that were looking for something other than... I don't remember the name. Green creature with black mana pips in an ability, if I recall correctly. On to the next one, where we get a Fearless Swashbuckler. Of course. He's a pirate. So he's fearless. Makes perfect sense. On to the next one. What doesn't make perfect sense is a motorcycle. In Magic the Gathering universe. But my opinion, your opinion. A Thopter Fabricator is what we get here. Ooh, that's a nice one. In foil, a Riptide Gearhulk. I would still like the green-white one, so that I have it. I don't need to get it separately. We have a Lumbering World Wagon, and that's it here. But that's only a wish, which does not necessarily have to be fulfilled, of course. We get a Winwixt Verbose Host, and we just open another pack and don't talk about that name. Let's see what we get. We get a Collodin Triumph Caster. We get an Oil Deep Gearhulk. Let's go. All the Gearhulks. I think actually the green-white one is now the only one missing. I've already forgotten what I pulled from the last box. We get another Riptide. What is this box? Another Riptide Gearhulk and a foil Winwixt Verbose Host. Let's see what we get in the next one. They can't all be that good, right? We get a Quack Feast and an Afterburner Expert, which is okay. On to the next one. There we get a river pyre verge. And that's it. Next pack. We get a Zahur, Glory's Past. And that's it here. On to the next one. We get a Samut, the driving force. And that's it here. On to the next one we go. Where we have a Skybox Fairy in the alternate art. We get a Subsunen Luxa embodied. Also nice to have. If I can wish for things, I would like to have the black-white god and the green-white gearhulk as well. Thank you very much. Now let's see us not getting anything. We get a Possession Engine and a Regal Imperiosaur. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we get a loot, a Pathfinder. Very strong. Very disliked. For Commander. He's of course in blue, where you have access to a bunch of lovely blink effects, and then since he has haste, you can abuse all of his abilities any way you want. We have a full throttle, and that's it here. On to the next one we go. Where we get, what do we get? It's yellow. Oh no, please save me. Oh no, there it is. It's a district mascot. Let's just move on. Let's just move on. I don't have to disagree with everything. So that's fine. And the next one we get a Skyseer's Chariot. And that's it here. On to the next pack. Where we get a Gonti, Night Minister. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we get a River Churn Monument. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we get a district mascot. On to the next one. Where we get a Mendicant Core, Guidelight, a Mimoplasm, Revered one, and that's it. Let's see what we get in the next pack. We get a Cloudspire Sky Cycle in Extended Art. We get a Vir of Invention special guest with very crazy art. Very crazy art. We also get a Bastry, Tomorrow's Champion. And that's it here. On to the next pack, where we get a Repurposing Bay and a Foil Rocketeer Boost Buggy. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. We get an Argonosaur, Rex, and that's it here. On to the next pack we go. Where we get a Winter Cursed Rider. We used up all our luck in the first few packs with all the gearhulks. I am afraid. Let's see the last few packs, what they hold. A Crypt Collar Chariot. And that's it here. And we're down to 3 packs. Let's see what we get. We get Curse Cloth Wrappings, which I like the art. I like the artifact. Very zombie. Very cool. And on to the next one. Second to last pack now. And we get another Monument to Endurance. That's nice. And we're down to the last pack. Will we see another Gearhulk? The last one, the missing one? Probably not, but we'll look anyway. We get a Debris Beetle, not Battle. A Vexen Shape Thief and a Foil Siphon Fuel, and that's it here. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I shall be seeing you at the next one.